Are you waking up exhausted and relying on caffeine just to function? The problem isn't your alarm clock, it's what's on your plate. Most of us are unknowingly sabotaging our energy levels before the day even begins, and it's time to change that. We tend to accept fatigue as a normal part of modern life. We lean on coffee to survive the morning and sugar to push through the afternoon slump. But true vitality isn't about artificial stimulation, it's about biological fuel. If you want to optimize your morning to truly boost energy and increase productivity without crashing by 2 p.m., you need to fundamentally change your approach to breakfast. Today, I'm going to break down the nutritional strategy that stops the energy crash before it starts, and give you the exact formula for a healthy breakfast that fuels high performance. First, we need to address the glucose roller coaster. The standard breakfast, whether it's bagels, cereal, muffins, or even fruit-heavy smoothies, is often a glucose bomb. These foods break down rapidly into sugar, causing a massive spike in blood glucose. Initially, you feel great, you get a burst of dopamine and energy. But biology dictates that what goes up must come down. Your pancreas floods your system with insulin to manage that sugar, leading to a rapid drop in blood glucose known as reactive hypoglycemia. This is the mid-morning crash. When your blood sugar plummets, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline to compensate. This is why you feel brain fog, irritability, and sudden cravings at 10:30 a.m. You can't increase productivity when your brain is fighting a physiological battle for stability. To fix this, we need to shift from burning kindling, fast carbs to burning logs, slow-burning fuel. The solution lies in a specific metabolic formula: protein plus healthy fats plus fiber. This is the golden trifecta. Protein is essential because it increases satiety and provides the amino acids necessary for neurotransmitter production, specifically dopamine and norepinephrine, which promote alertness and focus. Healthy fats are crucial because they slow down gastric emptying. They blunt the insulin response of your meal and provide a steady stream of energy that lasts for hours. Finally, fiber acts as a buffer, further regulating blood sugar absorption and supporting gut health, which is directly linked to your energy levels. So, how do we translate this science onto your plate? Here are 3 high-performance meal options that perfectly adhere to this formula. The first option is the Neuro-Breakfast. This consists of eggs, greens, and avocado. Eggs are the gold standard for protein, but the yolks also contain choline, a nutrient critical for brain function and focus. Pair 2 or 3 eggs with spinach or kale sautéed in olive oil for fiber, and half an avocado for monounsaturated fats. If you need carbohydrates, add a slice of sprouted grain toast. This meal provides a steady release of energy without the spike. The second option is for those who prefer something lighter or quicker. High-protein yogurt bowls. The key here is to avoid non-fat, sweetened yogurts. You want plain Greek yogurt or skyr, which is naturally high in protein. To hit our formula, add a handful of walnuts or flax seeds for omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce brain inflammation, and low glycemic berries like raspberries or blueberries for fiber and antioxidants. This creates a creamy, satisfying breakfast that stabilizes your mood and focus. The third option is for the oatmeal lovers, the Pro-Oat Upgrade. Oatmeal is a healthy carbohydrate, but on its own, it's not enough to sustain energy. You must dress your carbs. Cook your oats with water or almond milk, but stir in a scoop of high-quality protein powder. Top it with a generous tablespoon of almond butter and chia seeds. By adding protein and fat to the starch, you lower the glycemic load of the meal, transforming a potential energy crash into a sustained fuel source. Beyond the food, there's one critical adjustment to your morning routine that acts as a force multiplier for your energy: hydration and caffeine timing. Most people reach for coffee immediately upon waking. However, when you wake up, your cortisol levels, your body's natural awake hormone, are at their peak. Drinking caffeine immediately interferes with this natural cortisol awakening response and can actually lead to a higher tolerance and an afternoon crash. The professional move is to wait 90 minutes after waking before having your first cup. Instead, start with 16 ounces of water with a pinch of sea salt or electrolytes. You lose over a pound of water simply by breathing while you sleep. Dehydration thickens your blood, making your heart work harder to pump oxygen to your brain, which manifests as fatigue. Rehydrate first, eat the trifecta second, and caffeinate third. Stop accepting low energy as your baseline. It's not normal to feel exhausted by noon. By implementing this protein, fat, and fiber strategy, you are not just eating a meal. You are engineering your biology for success. I challenge you to try this protocol for the next 3 days. Distinct from the sugar-heavy norm, this approach will clarify your thinking and stabilize your stamina. If you found this breakdown valuable, please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more evidence-based strategies to optimize your health. I want to know, which of these 3 breakfasts are you going to try tomorrow morning? Let me know in the comments below. Eat with intention, and I'll see you in the next video.